me.
Are you ready to go to bed?
No.
Alright, it's time, honey.
No, it isn't. And 3 seconds, please.
But it's time to go night-night.
And 3 seconds.
Why do you want to stay up for 3 seconds?
Because
Can you find a full circle?
Are you ready to go night-night?
Good job.
Kenzie. Hey. Alright, let's go night-night. Come on.
no.
Yes, it's time.
No. And 3 seconds, please.
Why do you want to stay up for 3 seconds?
Because
Because why?
3 seconds means to go to bed.
Yeah, we go to bed right now. It's time.
No, it isn't.
It is time.
But I don't want to go to bed.
Why not?
Something new.
In 3 seconds I will.
Why don't you want to go to bed?
Because I want to have a sleepover.
We're not doing